Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something every new lash artist struggle with, confidence. When I transitioned from being a nurse to a lash technician, I realized that expertise isn't just about how many years you've been doing something. It's about how you present yourself. Today I'm sharing 5 tips on how to look and act like a pro, even if you just finished your first training. Tip number 1. Master the professional consultation. Beginners often rush straight into the application. Experts, however, start with a consultation. Instead of asking, what do you want? Try saying, let's analyze your eye shape and natural lash health to determine the best styling for you. This shows you aren't just gluing hair, but you are designing a look based on science and aesthetics. Tip number 2. Leverage your hygiene standards. This is my secret weapon. In the medical world, hygiene is everything. You can win a client's trust by having a spotless workspace. Set up your station in front of them, use disposable brushes, and explain that you sanitize your tweezers and using medical grade solution. When a client sees you care about their safety, they automatically assume you are an expert. Tip number 3. Use expert vocabulary. Start using technical terms. Instead of saying, I'll put some lashes on, say, I'm going to apply a 007 diameter C curl to create a soft, natural lift. When you use professional terminology, the client stops seeing you as a student and starts seeing you as a specialist. Tip number 4. The stay calm rule. Mistakes will happen, don't worry. You might struggle with the inner corner or sticky. A beginner panics and apologizes constantly. An expert stays calm. If something goes wrong, just breathe and fix it quietly. Your energy dictates the client's experience. If you are calm, they feel safe. Remember, in the clinic, we never panicked in front of patients. Apply that same discipline here. Tip number 5. Investment in appearance and tools. You don't need the most expensive bed, but your setup should look professional. Keep your lashes organized, wear a clean apron or even scrubs like I do, and maintain good posture. If you look like you take your business seriously, your clients will too. Fake it till you make it. It doesn't mean lying. It means showing up as the best version of the professional you are becoming. If you found these tips helpful, especially the medical perspective, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what's the hardest part about being a beginner for you. See you in the next one.